Hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. It is Halloween inspired, pumpkin inspired, fall inspired. I have on my dark lippy and also orange in my crease, not in my crease but orange on my eyes. And for the palette I use my Morphe 350M palette. This look is pretty simple to do, so I really hope you guys enjoy this. And if you do recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram as well as use the hashtag Rochester so that I can click it and see it. Bye guys. No, enjoy the tutorial.
God bless. My boy DJ. Yeah, I met some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah. Read and Isaiah. Yeah, man. I for make a joyful Isaiah. Yeah, me I say no. Lord, I'm a shepherd. All of my friend them a be a lamb. We know this so be a God, we know be a lamb. We are like Abraham. No, so when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined. Fi kill evil with me beer on. God a God from day one. And no man is an island unless them a key man. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus me, that be a layman. See man who carry the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody feel up the Lord Raymond. Him able for wipe all the stain off a Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth. Are the first thing me learn in a grade 1. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him go fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. And you, the wages of sin that I did. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. If I never Jacob be a club, me with a floss in a one party with a cars in my PS stub, AK submachine. God wash me off in the love machine. If you look, you see a base hood. Jesus dead pon the cross, waste blood. Fan him head and him palm and him waste blood. Vampire who a walk and a taste blood over how I do away with paste blood. Can't do me nothing like Daniel in the den. And a prophet like Samuel. And even if me drive hard, me no crash like a hard drive. Like say me the inna the Dell. If I never David, I would the Bible. You say me what day with a would a AK with a banana clip. I play with like gorilla. Feel way big when me a travel like Gulliver. Me wouldn't have no heart, no liver. Dirty Babylon with a freak out and go liver. Following me that make blood a run like dungeon. Never Malachi. My ties, me woulda have a buy shoes and clothes and a eye boat, me swagger fly. But if me don't show me one thing, you see like how a criminal a rob a guy. So me rob the other night and Ananias and Sapphire. Rob up the offering and a line me with a dirty like in the August tie. Me wouldn't want to give God a try. If you save and a try, save me no bother try. If I never Jesus things with a sticky like beeswax, me wouldn't read Matthew Mark, wouldn't read Acts. Now go a hell that 100 degrees max. Deal with the devil dread like Bob Marley's locks. Satan salt like him get a sea breeze box. I salt like me daughter Destiny snacks. Devil want me go mad and a freeze box. Funeral I keep so me get rid of these glocks. You want the Lord see me on say see Jobia. When nothing nah go on me nah go walk Obia. Me nah come off of the road because me don't have no uranophobia. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him do fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. And you, the wages of sin that I did. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. That's why me say, make a joyful Isaiah. Scripture me read and a Isaiah. Chapter 14 of Isaiah. Me lift devil shock like a live wire. When you sow your seed, read the scripture, see some fertilizer, yeah. And if you want escape sin, make devil officer. See my guy via. Humility. Humble yourself and be exalted. Exalt yourself and be abused. God bless me. Now I over material things. No land and no host, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings. Boy come a talk about floss and swagging. Say him full of woman till them all am a dim. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him login. Him couldn't believe the picture him get a tagging. It's a next man him see a hack as him. Never know she steal from the rich figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No land no old no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball and me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No no old no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I bought the kings of here. You are gonna boast. Go to a woman I know I've only the most. Weekend pan the North Coast. When they check most of them never have a Bible in the most. And up here, high status them a post and a pose with pics like them they in the force. But that can't save you, not even close. Hunger thing matter the Holy Ghost. That's why me, now I over material things. No, things. No care with the rim. Me now show off if me a ball of me sins. No me, now I over material things. No things. No care with the rim. Me only eye about the king of kings. Because you have a scoop on your face. People say you run the place. And you have a gun on your waist. No feel you bigger than God's amazing grace. Don't hype, cause that you lock the place. Remember say you just time you are waste. Never know say you be humble yourself. Cause he that exalt himself shall be a that's why me, now I over material things. No things. No care with the rim. Me now show off if me a ball of me sins. No me, now I over material things. No things. No care with the rim. Me only eye about the king of kings. Why come a talk about floss and swagging? Same full of woman till them all a mad him. Same full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash, him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him logging. Him couldn't believe the picture and get attacking. It's a next man him see a hack as him. Never know she steal from the rich, figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No things. No care with the ring. Me now show off if me a ball of me sins. No me, now I over material things. No things. No care with the ring. Me only eye about the king of. That's why me, now I over material things. No things. No care with the ring. Me now show off if me a ball of me sins. No me, now I over material things. No things. No care with the ring. Me only eye about the king of kings. So stay safe. What the bowlers? Controllers. Hear me say now? Hey, Christian life it a the hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the street me and go say nobody can this. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Father me shield and me banana can this. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Everybody who dey on the street and on the corner ready. The Lord himself he born again. Although you born already, Satan him a look for me, but tell him say me gone already. Inna me shield of faith and dress up and me got my armor ready. Father God him carry me through this storm already. This is a spiritual warfare. Cup and this mission already. Satan and him army them a get this armor ready, bomb already. It's like say me holding a Osama ready. Me no care if blue I step I use that in him song already. Man a devil kill a devil I forget killer for me show. If him show up on me show and me perform already. This is a Armageddon when them gonna bed and gonna trap the wake up shock. And one of them all I think I done already. Christian life it a the hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Hey yo, me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the road me nah go say nobody can this. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Lord and me shield and me banana goddess. Oh me a stay safe like a hard. Hey, Christian life it a the hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh me a stay safe. Them say a Christian you are not, so you cannot be an avanat. Watch how me a step on some carnot, cause some of them heart dirtier than Kiamat. Them say them save like a hard disk. Some of them fi cat that go format. And some harlot show up a heavy show and me perform at. Cause them see me park up in a the car lot. One give me your number fi call back. Say she want come chill out bill and all that. But I and I me living fi Christ. Cause him dead for me. And me know say them nail what them run through him format. Now them a show up where I'm at. And I step up in a life cool warm at. We have why not. Jesus make me high like a pilot. All who are exalt themselves, them salt like they married to the guy lot. When me say me I stay safe, me no mean me I save up for buy lot. Me I stay safe like an artist. You know what I mean? Heaven on my place, this earth, under me on this. Me I stay safe like an artist. And when me touching on the street, me not gonna say nobody can this. That's why me say God bless, regardless. So what? Lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, not switch and we not serve a different God. Tell them we beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. Listen. All of you beat them bad, every tune you put out a street them bad. And safe, every bone in my body. Tell them say God Almighty am my daddy. Me praise God like say that am my hobby. Never can trick my virgin them neither me.